Welcome to UCAN Plumbing. I'm Mark the plumber, and today we're going to take a look at, you just installed a brand new shower handle and you go to turn the water on and it's not very hot. Now in these new ones, they're completely different. The old ones used to have a little set piece. You'd take a screw out, you'd pull it, turn it, tighten the screw back in, all good. Now they've actually made it simpler, but if you're not used to that, it's pretty difficult and you might panic a little bit. But don't panic. We'll go through the steps right now. First things first, I think it's a 3/32 Allen key. Take the handle off. There we go, handle comes off, nice and easy. Down here, take the shroud off. Now, the real difference is, on the old ones there'd be a little set screw right here. You'd undo it, you'd take this plastic piece out, twist it. Now there's no set screw. This piece, if you see in behind, it pulls out, and you can, this way for cooler, right for cooler, left for warmer. So we'll put it all the way to the left so we have it nice and warm. And that's all there is to it. Much easier, you're not dropping pieces on the ground. And now you just pick your shroud up again. Get it on there. There we go, slide it back in. Get the handle up. Just tighten it back up. Get her nice and tight. Turn it all the way on. And now we got nice hot water. Now we'll go ahead on, before I adjusted it, it would only turn to here, only about straight up and down. Now it turns well past, gets you full hot. Thank you for watching UCAN Plumbing. Please like and subscribe. More subscribers the better. We'll be able to start giving away stuff. Need to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're doing pretty good with the hours, but subscribe, like, let other people know. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye for now.